Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a baked feta dip. My wife and I had this on the island of Corfu last summer. It is super easy, super good. It's great for a snack or a little appetizer. So let's get started. All right, I have about a 6-ounce brick of feta, and I'm putting it in the foil because we're going to actually take this out and do it on our grill. We're going to drizzle with some authentic extra virgin Greek olive oil. All right, next the recipe calls for shredded cheddar and jack cheese, maybe about a 1/3 cup, followed by fine diced Roma tomato and green bell pepper. Just want to top that. I think I had about a 1/4 cup each of the tomato and pepper. And then lastly, I have Greek oregano in our herb garden. And if you can find Greek oregano, it has a little bit more kick to it than your traditional Italian oregano. Now we're just going to fold this up and go hit the grill. Of course, you can do this in your oven, 350 degrees for 20 minutes or so, but it's summertime and I love to cook outdoors. So I have my Camp Chef flat top grill, 2 burners on medium low. I'm not going to set the cheese directly on that. I'm going to offset it a little bit. I have my dome cover. That's going to act like a little mini oven. Okay, it's only been 10 minutes and we are ready to take it off the grill. I'm just going to remove the dome, carefully grab our feta, move it to a serving platter and let it rest for maybe about 5 minutes before you dig in. So we had this in Ipsos Beach at a taverna. They topped it with some hot sauce, and I can't remember what kind they had, but I'm just going to use my favorite hot sauce here. Give it a little drizzle. And I think we're ready to dig in. Time to take a bite of this easy baked feta dip. A little scoop here. I'm using pita chips. You could use pita bread, tortilla chips, whatever you prefer, any cracker. Just how I remember it. And as always, guys, like, share, subscribe, notification bell, and thanks for tuning in.